All right, this is really gonna show what kind of friends we are because we're just gonna say things.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm a styling photographer here at Zulily, and what that means is that I shoot and style all of the products that you might see on white on the page. And I just so happen to work with my maid of honor, /best friend.
I'm Kasey. I'm the photo editing coordinator. So what that means is I assign all the workload for product and editorial photo editing.
When I shop on Zulily, I'm normally looking for either some wide fit shoes because I have some wide feet, and Zulily offers some fashionable alternatives for that. And I've been engaged for about 2 years now, so I've gotten a lot of my wedding stuff off Zulily.
I look for like quirky products. On an event today, they have like,
oh my god, that's so funny.
silliest mugs. Oh, one of them's like, I'm not a bad mom.
Yeah? One of them says, maybe today, Satan.
Maybe today, Satan. Like, I relate to that.
So what I have in my box today is actually, conveniently for the men in my life, a handkerchief for my dad that I will read once I get into this box. Also a silicone ring for my fiance, whose name is Jacob. I'm super excited to show you guys. This is the silicone ring. It's really nice for people that are active. He lifts a lot of weights and he really needs, like, he's really worried about having a metal ring that either the metal is too soft and it'll bend, or he's just gonna break it. They're significantly more affordable than a traditional wedding ring. It's not as big of a deal if he loses it. We can replace it a little easier. So this is gonna be kind of his everyday ring that he wears.
No, knowing Jacob and like how we go out like as our friend group, we're still in our 20s and things can get rowdy. And our friends are known for breaking things, so this might be a little bit harder.
It was really a necessity
for us to break.
This is the handkerchief I was talking about. It says, "To my dad, you are the first man I ever loved. When you give me away today, know that I will always be your little girl, your loving daughter." This is really important to me because I've been shooting weddings with my dad since I was probably 16, so it's been more than a few years. And I cry at people's weddings that I don't know. As soon as there's a father-daughter dance, it just gets me every time. So this is super important to me and I'm excited to give it to him.
So, for the wedding, I'm a pretty active person, so it was important to me to still wear my watch the day of Sarah's wedding, but obviously this band,
it's not very formal.
So I got a jewelry band to make my watch look more of like
a bracelet.
Like a bracelet and not just like rubber.
I never believed anymore.
I can do everything. It looks great. So bracelet for smartwatch. I'm destroying the box.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, so it's way cuter than I thought it was gonna be. Sarah's gonna walk down the aisle to get her wedding ring, and I'm gonna walk down and close my active rings.
I really like this watch because she sent them to me before she actually bought it, because bride approval.
Yeah.
And this super fits with our aesthetic because our wedding is in October, so it's a little spooky, but I don't want it to be like Halloween.
The wedding color, like for the bridesmaids, is wine, so black and wine.
They're gonna look so
Stop
nice.
it.
Honestly, I'm super excited about this ring because I think it's gonna be like the everyday use. Like, it's gonna crush it.
Obviously, I really like my watch band, but I love this just because I am such a like sensitive crybaby. And like I just love nice, happy things that like, dads are the best.
Dads are the best.
Jeez.
Thanks for unboxing with us today.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Comment down below what your wedding traditions are. And happy wedding!
Happy wedding!
Oh my god.